Are you looking for ways to heat your home without relying on gas or electricity? You know, folks, we've become awfully dependent on these fancy systems, but what happens when the power goes out or those energy bills skyrocket? It's time to get back to basics, to simpler, more reliable methods. In this video, you'll discover simple and effective solutions, including Amish methods that have stood the test of time. These folks have been living off-grid for generations, and they know a thing or two about staying warm. We're talking about harnessing the power of the sun, using natural materials for insulation, and mastering the art of wood heating. Stick around until the end to learn an amazing Amish technique for keeping homes warm throughout the winter. It's a game changer, folks, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's get started. Now you might be wondering, why the Amish? Why focus on their way of life in this modern age? Well, for generations, the Amish have lived a life independent of the modern conveniences we often take for granted. They have chosen a path that emphasizes simplicity, community, and a deep connection to the land. They've learned to adapt, to live in harmony with nature, and to find ingenious solutions to everyday challenges. Their resourcefulness is truly remarkable. And let me tell you, when it comes to heating their homes efficiently and affordably, they've got it down pat. Their methods are both time-tested and incredibly effective. You see, rising energy costs are a concern for everyone these days. It's a topic that affects us all, regardless of where we live. It seems like every time you turn around, the price of gas and electricity goes up. It's a never-ending cycle of increasing expenses. And in many parts of the world, folks are dealing with unreliable power grids. The infrastructure just can't keep up with the demand. Power outages can be a real pain, especially during the cold winter months. Imagine being without heat when you need it the most. But the Amish, they're not fazed by these issues. Their resilience and preparedness are truly inspiring. They've built their lives around self-sufficiency and sustainability. It's a lifestyle choice that pays off in so many ways. They rely on renewable resources like wood and solar energy to heat their homes. These resources are not only abundant, but also sustainable. And you know what? These methods are not only effective, they're also environmentally friendly. They leave a minimal carbon footprint. The Amish understand the importance of living in balance with nature. They respect the earth and its resources. They're not contributing to the pollution and greenhouse gas emissions that come with traditional heating methods. Their approach is clean and green. They're using what the earth provides, and they're doing it responsibly. It's a model of sustainable living. Now, I'm not saying we all need to go live like the Amish, but there's a lot we can learn from their way of life, especially when it comes to heating our homes. Their techniques are simple yet effective, and they can be adapted to fit our modern lifestyles. We can take inspiration from their methods. They've got this figured out, folks. Their homes are warm and cozy, even in the harshest winters. They've been doing it for centuries, and they've perfected their techniques through trial and error, passing down their knowledge from generation to generation. It's a legacy of wisdom. So, let's dive into some of their time-tested methods, shall we? There's so much we can learn from their experience. We're going to uncover the secrets of their success, and I'm going to show you how you can apply these principles to your own home, whether you're living in a modern house or a cozy cabin in the woods. Let's get started on this journey to more efficient and sustainable home heating. Let's talk about the workhorse of Amish heating, the wood-burning stove. This traditional method of heating has been a staple in Amish homes for generations, providing not just warmth, but a sense of comfort and reliability. Now, this isn't your grandpa's old potbelly stove, folks. Modern wood stoves have come a long way in terms of design and efficiency. The Amish have refined the art of wood heating, turning it into a science of efficiency and warmth. They have perfected techniques that ensure maximum heat output with minimal wood consumption. They understand that a well-maintained, properly installed wood stove can heat an entire home, and they've got the know-how to make it happen. Proper installation is key to ensuring that the stove operates safely and efficiently. First things first, choosing the right wood is crucial. The type of wood you use can significantly impact the performance of your stove. The Amish know that hardwoods like oak, maple, and hickory burn longer and hotter than softwoods. These types of wood provide a steady, long-lasting heat that is ideal for keeping a home warm through the cold months. They've learned that seasoned wood, meaning wood that's been dried for at least 6 months, is key to a clean and efficient burn. Seasoned wood burns more completely and produces less creosote. Green wood, on the other hand, can cause creosote buildup in your chimney, which is a major fire hazard. Creosote is a tar-like substance that can ignite and cause dangerous chimney fires. Speaking of fire hazards, safety is paramount when it comes to wood-burning stoves. Proper installation and maintenance are essential to prevent accidents. The Amish are meticulous about installing their stoves properly, ensuring adequate clearance from combustible materials. This attention to detail helps prevent accidental fires. They've seen firsthand the devastating effects of a house fire, and they take every precaution to prevent them. Fire safety is a top priority in their homes. They also make sure their chimneys are cleaned and inspected regularly. Regular maintenance helps ensure that the stove operates safely and efficiently. A clogged chimney can lead to a chimney fire, which can quickly spread to the rest of the house. This is why regular inspections and cleanings are so important. It's a risk they're not willing to take, and neither should you. Taking the time to ensure your stove and chimney are in good condition can prevent potential disasters. Now you might be thinking, Mike, a wood-burning stove sounds like a lot of work. And yes, it does require some effort and commitment. And you know what? It does require some effort. You've got to chop the wood, stack it, bring it inside, and keep that fire going. It's a labor of love that pays off in warmth and comfort. You've got to chop the wood, stack it, bring it inside, and keep that fire going. But each step is part of a rewarding process that brings you closer to nature and self-sufficiency. But let me tell you, there's nothing quite like the feeling of warmth and satisfaction that comes from heating your home with wood. It's a unique experience that brings a sense of accomplishment. It's a connection to the past, to a simpler way of life. Using a wood stove ties you to traditions that have been passed down through generations, and it's a skill that's worth learning. Mastering the use of a wood stove can be a fulfilling and practical endeavor. The Amish have mastered this skill, and with a little bit of effort, you can too. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the warmth and satisfaction that comes with it. Now let's talk about another ingenious Amish heating technique: passive solar heating. This method is not only effective but also incredibly sustainable, making it a perfect example of how traditional wisdom can meet modern needs. You see, the Amish understand that the sun is a powerful source of free energy, and they've designed their homes to harness that energy effectively. By doing so, they reduce their reliance on other heating sources, which is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. They've been doing it for generations, long before solar panels were even a thing. Their methods are rooted in a deep understanding of natural cycles and the environment. They strategically position their homes to maximize sunlight exposure, especially during the winter months. This careful planning ensures that they get the most out of the limited daylight hours. They know that south-facing windows will capture the most sunlight throughout the day, naturally warming their homes. This simple yet effective technique can significantly reduce heating costs. It's like having a giant free solar panel built right into your house. The sun's rays are harnessed to provide warmth, making the home cozy and inviting. And they don't stop there. The Amish are meticulous in their approach to home design, ensuring every element works together to maximize efficiency. The Amish are masters of insulation, using natural materials to trap that precious heat inside. This not only keeps the home warm, but also reduces the need for additional heating. They know that thick insulated walls are crucial for retaining heat, and they often build their homes with double-thick walls filled with sawdust or straw for added insulation. These materials are not only effective but also readily available and sustainable. Now, you might not be able to rebuild your entire house to take advantage of passive solar heating, but there are still things you can do to apply these principles to your own home. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by paying attention to your windows. The right window treatments can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency. Heavy curtains or blinds can help prevent heat loss at night, and during the day, open those curtains wide and let the sun shine in. This simple act can help you harness the sun's energy just like the Amish do. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in your heating bill. By maximizing natural light and heat, you can reduce your reliance on artificial heating. And if you're really serious about maximizing your solar gain, consider adding a sunroom or a greenhouse to your home. These additions can be a game changer. These spaces are designed to trap solar heat, providing a warm and inviting space even on the coldest winter days. Not only do they add value to your home, but they also create a beautiful, sunlit area to enjoy year-round. Now let's talk about another area where the Amish excel: insulation. They understand that keeping the heat in is just as important as generating it in the first place, and they've developed some clever techniques for doing just that. One of their secrets is the use of thick blankets and quilts. These aren't your average blankets, folks. We're talking about heavy-duty, hand-stitched quilts that are specifically designed to trap heat. They use them on their beds, of course, but they also hang them over windows and doorways to prevent drafts. And speaking of drafts, the Amish are masters at sealing up any cracks or gaps where heat might escape. They use weather stripping around doors and windows, and they're not afraid to get creative with caulking and insulation to make sure their homes are airtight. They also understand the importance of layering. They wear multiple layers of clothing to stay warm, and they apply the same principle to their homes. They might have rugs on the floors, carpets over the rugs, and even tapestries hanging on the walls for added insulation. Now, you might not want to go full-on Amish with your insulation, but there are definitely some takeaways here. Make sure your attic and basement are properly insulated. Consider adding insulation to your walls, especially if you have an older home. And don't forget about the simple things like sealing up drafts and adding weather stripping. These small changes can make a big difference in your home's energy efficiency and help you save money on your heating bills. We explored the timeless Amish techniques that have proven their effectiveness for years. From harnessing the sun's warmth to mastering the art of wood heating and insulation, the Amish have a lot to teach us about staying warm and cozy without breaking the bank. But are there modern solutions to complement these methods? Think about it, folks. We can take inspiration from the Amish while incorporating modern technology to create even more efficient and sustainable heating solutions. We can use things like solar panels, geothermal heat pumps, and high-efficiency wood stoves to reduce our reliance on traditional heating methods and create a more sustainable future. So take a page from the Amish playbook. Embrace simplicity, ingenuity, and a deep respect for the environment. By combining their time-tested wisdom with modern innovations, we can create warmer, more comfortable homes while reducing our impact on the planet. Geothermal heating harnesses the Earth's natural heat, a resource that is both abundant and sustainable. This method of heating has been used for centuries, but modern technology has made it more efficient and accessible than ever before. Deep beneath the surface, the Earth holds a vast reservoir of thermal energy. This energy originates from the Earth's core, where temperatures can reach up to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat slowly makes its way to the surface, providing a constant and reliable source of energy. Geothermal systems tap into this energy to heat our homes. By installing a geothermal heating system, homeowners can take advantage of this natural heat source, reducing their dependence on traditional heating methods. A geothermal heat pump circulates fluid through underground pipes. These pipes are typically buried in the yard, either in a horizontal or vertical configuration, depending on the available space and soil conditions. This fluid absorbs the Earth's heat and transfers it to our homes. The heat pump then uses this energy to warm the air inside, providing a consistent and comfortable indoor temperature even during the coldest months. In the summer, the process can be reversed to cool our living spaces. The heat pump extracts heat from the home and transfers it back into the ground, effectively using the earth as a heat sink. Geothermal heating offers numerous benefits. It is not only a sustainable and renewable energy source but also provides significant cost savings over time. It's a highly efficient and environmentally friendly option. Geothermal systems can achieve efficiencies of 300 to 600% on the coldest winter nights, compared to 175 to 250% for air source heat pumps. It reduces our reliance on fossil fuels and lowers our carbon emissions. By using the Earth's natural heat, we can significantly decrease the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. Before installing a geothermal system, it's crucial to assess the feasibility for your property. This involves evaluating the land, the type of soil, and the space available for the installation of the underground pipes. Factors like soil type and available land space play a significant role. For instance, sandy soil may require a different installation approach compared to clay or rocky soil. Consulting with a geothermal expert is essential to determine if it's the right fit for your home. These professionals can provide a detailed assessment and guide you through the installation process, ensuring that your system is set up for maximum efficiency and longevity. Bioethanol heaters provide a cozy and inviting ambiance. They utilize bioethanol, a renewable fuel derived from plant materials. Bioethanol burns cleanly, producing minimal smoke or harmful emissions. These heaters come in various shapes and sizes, from freestanding units to wall-mounted fireplaces. They offer a versatile heating solution for different spaces. Some models even feature adjustable flame heights, allowing you to control the heat output and create the desired atmosphere. When choosing a bioethanol heater, consider the size of the room you want to heat. Larger spaces require heaters with a higher heat output. Additionally, look for models with safety features such as automatic shutoff mechanisms. Harnessing the sun's power, solar heating. Solar heating is an innovative and eco-friendly way to utilize the abundant energy provided by the sun. By harnessing this renewable resource, we can significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and lower our carbon footprint. Solar heating systems capture the sun's energy and convert it into usable heat. These systems are designed to maximize the efficiency of energy capture and conversion, ensuring that we make the most out of every ray of sunlight. The process begins with solar panels, which are typically installed on rooftops to get the most exposure to sunlight. Solar panels, typically installed on rooftops, absorb sunlight and generate electricity. This electricity can then be used in various ways to heat our homes. For instance, it can power electric heating systems, which are efficient and effective in maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. This electricity can then power electric heating systems or heat water for radiant floor heating. Radiant floor heating is a popular choice because it provides consistent and even warmth throughout the home. Additionally, solar-powered water heaters can supply hot water for daily use, further enhancing the efficiency of the system. Thermal storage systems play a crucial role in maximizing the efficiency of solar heating. These systems store excess heat generated during the day, making it available for use at night or on cloudy days. This ensures that the home remains warm and comfortable even when the sun isn't shining. By storing this energy, we can ensure a continuous supply of heat, reducing the need for backup heating systems and further lowering energy costs. Solar heating offers significant long-term cost savings and reduces our dependence on traditional energy sources. By investing in solar heating, homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills and a more sustainable lifestyle. The initial investment in solar technology is often offset by the savings on energy costs over time. It's a clean and sustainable way to keep our homes warm and comfortable. Solar heating not only benefits the environment but also enhances the quality of life for families by providing a reliable and eco-friendly heating solution. Embracing solar heating is a step towards a greener future, where we can enjoy the warmth of our homes without compromising the health of our planet. Locking in the warmth. Modern insulation. Modern insulation acts as a barrier, preventing heat loss and improving energy efficiency. It comes in various forms, including fiberglass, cellulose, and foam insulation. Proper insulation keeps our homes warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Upgrading insulation is a cost-effective way to enhance the comfort of our homes. It reduces the workload on our heating systems, leading to lower energy bills. Additionally, improved insulation contributes to a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Innovative heating solutions. We can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, lower our carbon footprint, and create a more sustainable future for everyone. Let's join the energy revolution and transform our homes into models of energy efficiency and environmental responsibility.